Running into technical issues with financial technology platforms can cause immediate concern, particularly when you need to view account balances, process transfers, or access short-term cash advances. When opening the MoneyLion app yields a blank screen, endless loading spinner, unexpected error message, or repeated login failure, identifying the root cause systematically resolves the issue without compromising security. App failures generally fall into three categories: local device conflicts, network connection interruptions, or server-side service disruptions. Determining which layer is responsible saves time and prevents unnecessary account changes. First, check for server-side outages. Financial apps undergo routine maintenance and occasional unscheduled downtime. Before changing settings on your mobile device, verify whether the platform itself is experiencing a broader disruption. Independent status monitoring tools and platform feedback channels indicate whether other users are encountering identical errors simultaneously. If an outage is active on the provider's end, local troubleshooting will not restore access, and waiting for server recovery is required. If no server disruption is reported, evaluate your local network configuration. Financial management applications rely on encrypted connections to protect transaction data and user authentication tokens. Virtual private networks, active proxy configurations, or custom domain name system setups often interfere with these security protocols, causing the application to drop requests or refuse sign-in attempts. Disabling active VPN services and switching from mobile cellular data to a stable Wi-Fi connection, or vice versa, helps isolate whether network routing is blocking communication with the servers. If the network connection is clear, address device-level application data corruption. Over time, stored temporary cache files and outdated security tokens can cause loading loops or freeze the interface. Force closing the application clears active RAM processes. On iOS devices, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher and swipe the MoneyLion card off the screen. On Android devices, access the Settings menu, navigate to Application Management, select MoneyLion, and tap Force Stop. Reopening the app establishes a fresh session. If force closing does not resolve the behavior, clear stored application cache files. Android users can navigate to App Info, select Storage, and choose Clear Cache to remove cached data without deleting login credentials. iOS manages cache internally, so resolving cached file errors typically requires deleting and reinstalling the app. Keeping the application updated ensures compatibility with server endpoints and security protocols. Mobile app stores regularly push updates containing critical bug fixes and API patches. Operating an outdated application version often leads to feature failures, particularly for bank account linking tools powered by third-party services like Plaid. If account relinking errors occur, verify that your external bank credentials match exactly, noting that username casing sensitivity can impact token validation. Device operating system compatibility also plays a role. Running an outdated phone operating system can prevent modern security certificates from validating properly. Ensure your phone is updated to the latest available software release. If all local troubleshooting steps fail, including app reinstallation and network toggling, contact official customer support directly through verified channels. Avoid third-party forums or unverified contact numbers found online to protect your sensitive financial information.